Hey everybody, this is Nature Walks with Donna, visiting the fish at our grotto. We still have 2 goldfish, and they're getting bigger here at the Zoom Grotto, and we've had a lot of rain, and thank God they haven't been flushed away and washed down. And we got some sunfish in here also nibbling away at the food that I gave them this morning. But these are 2 lucky goldfish at our Zoom Grotto, having some breakfast. I hope y'all enjoy. God bless, and Jesus loves you all. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. Little sweetie pie here, also enjoying the walk. Love you all. God bless. Hope you enjoy.